What year is it?
2022. I organized all of these like walls. Robert here with the tank rolling out to defend us.
Black Mesa, Black Mesa.
I think we should start from the front and start with the smallest ones and then make our way up to the biggest ones.
Start with firecrackers at the front. Crackers.
Whoa.
The tank, as I said, it's rolling out. It's backwards. The tank that's rolling
I
out.
want to tell you about something. We got most of these, not most of them. We got some of these fireworks from an abandoned house that me and my friend go to with my dad.
This weird Christmas firework, we are not setting up. I have not.
Because we found it in an abandoned house.
And I have suspicions that it's actually a thermonuclear bomb, and it's going to blow up all of the America.
Cool. Where are you going? We're in the middle of a video.
Okay, whatever.
Did he just leave? Oh, don't himself.
Ghost.
We got some
mammoth smoke.
We get mammoth every year. Not really. We got last year.
Sparklers. At the front of the drawbridge, it lies ladybugs.
Classic. June bugs. Y'all remember.
Used to color bowl.
I'm walking over with these landmines.
There's no lamb.
Smoke
that door again.
Blockbuster smoke balls.
The worst thing to get for smoke is smoke grenades.
Yeah. Crackling balls over here.
Let's open it. Oh god, guys, there are like these bombs.
As you can see, the main drawbridge here is actually
Roman candles.
crackling Roman candles.
The crack and they go. Roman candles are another classic.
And then we also have smaller Roman candles.
Mini golden flowers and the big golden flowers.
The mounted gunman fortress is a giant Roman candle with 240 shots. So that's more shots than a cake.
Here's
So honestly, this
another
would be the
classic
best
one.
fire. You know, it's really curving. Like it's just.
Okay, that's enough.
Another like the young.
Side here, one of the outer like things has the Lone Star fountain on the bottom.
The bees.
The mercurial bee.
That's a new one. We're actually really
it's like
excited
a
about that one.
cake, and on top Saturn missiles, which is really small, really cheap, and it's really good.
Yeah.
It makes a bit of a whistling, so if you're kind of sensitive to sound, I wouldn't recommend it. And then on the other side, the other outer turret, we have Diablo, which is a very.
What did I say, Dablo?
Yeah. Diablo is like a colorful fountain, and on the base we have a emoji cake.
Which that's gonna be lit.
I win because we're winners.
Then we got some TNT confetti poppers for the day.
Which has beast mode, possibly competing for number 1.
Here's RPG.
We have RPG and hen-laying eggs. And on the top, but we have voodoo balls.
My all-time favorite will always be the voodoo balls.
And to end it all off,
We got like 500 gram cake.
in the center, crazy orange. 20 shots,
Yep,
500 grams. So, and that's the third one that I think could compete for first this year. So,
Or beast mode. I think beast
that's
mode.
what I said. 3 that compete. Beast mode,
Hello?
See who can throw one of these at feathers.
I can.
I'm down. Big Boss Roman candle.
I'm sorry.
You know it's fine because they already had holes in them.
Well, we can probably glue this one.
Third, very delayed. You may be seeing this like July 5th.
I already did this. Oh, Claire. Here's RPG. Oh!
The party.
Get back.
It actually really does look like poop.
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
Oh, it's getting thicker.
So you can tell someone stepped on it.
It's a palm bomb. So me and Cole are going to back up.
That was nervous.
It's actually not a thermonuclear bomb. Conclusion, guys, it wasn't a thermonuclear bomb.
I'm just enough to make you smile. and you need me to hold